friends, Zoe here. Today I'm going to show you how I'm packing for a weekend getaway to the Amalfi Coast. So let's get started. So first things first, I want to let you guys know that this video is in collaboration with Moshi, who have supplied me with some amazing products to be able to handle my electronics on the road. As you guys know, I am a digital nomad, so I work from my laptop, and I can work from my laptop anywhere in the world. So it's very awesome to collaborate with such a brand that provides such quality products to take my electronics on the go. So let's check them out. So first I want to show you the Costa ultra lightweight, durable, and weather resistant bag. It is comfortable and has padded compartments for laptops up to 15 inches. It is also crush resistant, the front compartment that's perfect for your sunglasses. There's also a rear trolley strap that securely attaches your bag to rolling luggage. Moshi has also supplied me with the eye glaze. This is an ultra slim and lightweight MacBook cover. It's easy to install and has raised rubber feet and an unobstructed vent for better heat dissipation. Another product I want to show you is the Ion Slim 10K. This is a portable battery with both a USB and USB-C port, so it can charge your phone and even provide emergency power to your MacBook. So I'm definitely gonna get some great use out of this product. And of course, they all fit into my bag super nicely. So let's get packing those electronics. One thing I want to mention to you guys is this bag here, which is actually a toiletries bag, but I bought it from the train station in Napoli, and I like how I can see everything that's in it. It's perfect for my electronics, and this includes memory cards, different wires, portable hard drives, and I'm also going to be putting the Moshi charger in here as well. It either folds up like this, or I can fold it flat like this, but it fits perfectly into the Moshi bag horizontally like so. Another electronic I'm going to be bringing with me is this portable speaker that's actually waterproof, and it has its own little inner tube so it can float in the water beside you. So it's really great for the beach or in the bathtub. I'm also going to be bringing my DJI Spark drone, which came in this awesome case from DJI, and I absolutely love it because everything fits in here, including my extra batteries and the chargers, and it's gonna be perfect for those ocean shots. Next, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing the day of. So on travel days, I always like to dress comfortable, especially on a trip from Rome to the Amalfi Coast, because there are multiple switches in between, from trains to buses, etc. So I'm going to be wearing my Supergas, which I just washed and bleached. These are, I think, 2.5 years old now. Honestly, they've become so dirty in Rome so many times, and I've re-bleached them many times. They're still in pretty decent condition, and they're still very comfortable. So I'm going to be wearing these the day of. I have a Lululemon tank top, Lululemon sports bra here, and a pair of Lululemon capris. They're like tights, so super comfortable to wear while traveling. And I'm also going to be bringing a jean coat because it's something bigger that I have, which will fit great into the Moshi bag during the day, and I might need it if I get cold on the train, if there's aircon. Sometimes there's not. But it's too big to fit in my suitcase, so I'm going to be wearing it the day of. And now time to show you my clothes that I'm packing for the Amalfi Coast. So I'm bringing 2 bathing suits, and I've decided to choose 2 Calvin Kleins for this season because I thought about it long and hard, and I'm tired of bathing suits falling off when I'm jumping around in the water, being sporty, going surfing, although I'm not doing that this weekend, but I like to be active on the beach, so this is why I need swimwear that works. So I picked out this one piece, and then I also have this greeny, almost like you could say turquoise bathing suit. This is a 2-piece, so it'll be good for tanning as well. So we're going away for 4 days, so I'm actually bringing 5 dresses here, but I'm bringing one that's kind of a more beachy one, that's a throw for over a bathing suit, but then all of these which can be interchangeable for in the day exploring or out for dinner in the evenings. We do have a hike planned. We're also going to be spending time at the beach, so I have some outfits here that can, like I said, be interchangeable. As I mentioned, I'm going to be wearing the Supergas the day of because they're quite a chunkier shoe. But I'm also bringing this pair of sandals, which can be dressy and I can also wear to the beach. As I mentioned, we're going to be doing a little bit of hiking, so I'm bringing my Nikes. These are my gym shoes and I have washed them in the washing machine before, so I don't mind getting them dirty. And of course, I have pajamas and panties. Gonna pack those away in the packing cubes. They always roll up super small, so I can fit a lot in. This here is my toiletries bag, and it is vegan leather, and it's from ethical.market. I'll leave the link down below. I have a smaller bag as well that I use for makeup, but this here is all makeup, anything I'll need to shower, and of course sunscreen, anything I might need for the beach. It all fits away in this bag, and it's not packed totally full, but I like this because it can squish sideways into my luggage and I don't have to worry about it being too tight and anything exploding in it. Next, I'm also bringing this new beach bag, which will be fantastic. Anastasia gifted me with this morning, and it's so cute, and I know it's going to fit all of our towels, of course the speaker that goes underwater, and anything we might need for the beach in there for the day. So really excited for this. Now, let's see how it all fits.
It's been a while since I let you come around. I could use your love. How could I let you go? Haven't seen you around here for a while. And how could I let you go?
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed packing with me. Thank you so much again to Moshi for partnering with me on this video. I'll be sure to link all of their products down below so you can take a look-see and keep care of your electronics on the go. If you guys didn't already know, I have a few travel diaries from the Amalfi Coast and Capri. I'm going to be linking them below as well. But stay tuned for some more because I'm so excited for this next adventure. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!